Hi there! I'm back with another interesting fact. We're happy to see you again! What if I tell you the cotton clothes which we wear come from the cotton plant?
Just like this.
Isn't it amazing? Look at this. This looks like a white color rose. But it's a cotton bud.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways.
I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about cotton. Did you know, guys? Just one cotton t-shirt needs 100 grams of cotton.
That takes 1 to 2 plants.
Big thanks to the cotton plants because it gives us clothes. It produces more cotton.
And cotton is called as the king of fibers.
Thanks to Mother Nature to this wonderful plant. When you wear cotton dress,
Think that it comes from a small seed. So now I'll show you the seed. Let's take this cotton, rip it off.
Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat.
Okay, can you see the seed?
Let's write a new
from this very seed, we get oil.
And cotton flower. Next time when you wear a cotton dress, think that it comes from a small seed.
Wow, these are cotton seeds.
colors splash like secrets on these walls, while laughter echoes through the halls. Feel the
Hope you guys like our video.
See you next time.
Bye.